Hey everybody, this is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive in a 1970 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Now this is a beautiful, special Mustang. This one, its paint job looks incredible. It's 30 years old, has nice patina to it. This thing is so documented, has so many awards. You're going to have to go to the website when we're done with this over at volocars.com. I'll talk about that in a little bit, but first, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications so you get updated anytime Jay or myself do a video. And the purpose of these virtual test drives is for you to get a virtual feel of what it's like to drive the car, see it out in the sun, get as much driving experience as you can virtually. For all additional information, like I was talking about all the awards and documentation, Marti Report, head on over to volocars.com when we're done. You can see 100 or so extra pictures, the detailed write-up, selling price. I mean, it even has the badge, the blue ribbon on there. I mean, this Mustang's been around, all the right things, got all the right awards. The Calypso Coral paint, it's just, I love when cars stay as original as possible, and this one is right down that alley. So let's go ahead and take a seat. Door opens with ease, the interior looks great. Door shuts nice right in. Let's put the seatbelt on here. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starts right up. You have all your gauges, your battery, speedometer, fuel gauge, engine temp, oil pressure. Has the working clock over there. The radio.
Under the new approach, the Fed will seek.
Still works. This car, I'm looking at the interior. You're looking at it, it just looks absolutely gorgeous. If you're wondering what Mach 1 you want, this is the one. Has factory AC, it turns on. I mean, I'm in love with this car so far. And I work in the shop. It's the first time any of us have a chance to take this out on the road, so we're going to be experiencing and finding everything out about it together. And so any hiccups we find, get it back in the shop, take care of that stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and go for a spin. Brakes feel good. They're a little softer than they are hard, but still stop great. Drives nice and straight down the road. Accelerates nicely. Notice some little crack in the steering wheel, 2 spots. Notice the right indicator up here works on the hood. That's cool. Let's see. The left one I think I see working. The sun's on it. Check that out. If not, hook that back up or get a new bolt for it. Sounds really good going over those bumps too. A lot of these older cars, especially Mach 1s, you'll hear some rattle in the back. This one's nice and solid. The left one now in the shade is not working. Like I said, we'll go ahead and take a look at that, get that going. Notice the wheel, if it's going, I turn it just a little bit, it starts to turn. Minimal play, if any, in the steering wheel. bit here. is a bit of a bumpier road. So if you control it easy on here, control it easy anywhere. See the engine temp starting to go up, that's working fine. Have the wheel turned all the way, no rubbing, no weird noise coming from the power steering. This thing has plenty of pickup. All around beautiful, great car. I really enjoy driving this, and it's gorgeous. Well, I hope you enjoyed this too. Go ahead and click like and subscribe on the YouTube channel. And now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Get all the detailed write-up, and like I said, all the awards and everything this car has got to go to. And as always, I appreciate you.